In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can create and add split screen app pair to home screen. First of all, pick an app that you will use on the top half of your screen in split screen view. Now launch it in the background, and when you're ready, click on the icon of it available at the top. Now select Open in split screen view. Now click on the second app you wish to use, and when you're ready, click on those three dots in the middle of your apps. Then click on this little star on the right and select Add App Pair to Home Screen. Then you can exit split screen view by going back to background apps and swiping your apps. And then always access this split screen combination by clicking on this shortcut on your home screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!